Windows are not only vital to your home's aesthetic appeal, but they also play a significant role in your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and security. Over time, however, even the most durable windows can show signs of wear and tear. In Fayetteville, where weather conditions can vary from scorching summers to chilly winters, it's crucial to keep your windows in top shape. If you're noticing certain issues, it might be time to consider replacing your windows. Here are the top signs that indicate it's time to replace your windows in Fayetteville. Visible damage or deterioration. Windows can accumulate visible damage over time due to weather exposure, age, or accidents. Look for cracks, chips, or broken panes in the glass. If the frame is warped, cracked, or rotting, it's a clear sign that your windows are no longer protecting your home effectively. Wooden frames are especially susceptible to rotting and warping, while metal frames may corrode. In these cases, replacing the windows will not only improve your home's appearance but also restore its ability to keep the elements outside. Drafts and cold spots. If you feel cold drafts or notice certain areas of your home becoming uncomfortably colder than others, this could be due to inefficient windows. Over time, window seals can deteriorate, allowing air to leak in and out of your home. In the hot summers and cold winters of Fayetteville, drafts can lead to uncomfortable living conditions and higher energy costs. Replacing old, inefficient windows with energy-efficient models can significantly reduce drafts, making your home more comfortable year-round. Increased energy bills. One of the most noticeable signs that your windows need to be replaced is a sharp increase in your energy bills. Older windows are often poor insulators and allow heat to escape during the winter and enter during the summer, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. If you've noticed a steady increase in energy costs despite no significant changes in your heating or cooling habits, it's likely that your windows are no longer doing their job. New energy-efficient windows can help lower your energy consumption and reduce utility bills. Difficulty opening or closing. Windows that are difficult to open, close, or lock are a safety hazard. Not only do they make it harder to ventilate your home, but they can also be a security risk. If you find that your windows are becoming stuck, it may be due to the frame warping or the mechanism wearing out. Additionally, windows that don't close tightly can allow drafts, dirt, and pests to enter your home. Replacing such windows with newer, more reliable models can improve both the functionality and security of your home. Excessive condensation or moisture between panes. If you notice condensation or moisture building up between the panes of your windows, this is a clear indication of a broken seal. When the seal is compromised, moisture can get trapped between the panes, leading to foggy or cloudy windows. Not only does this impact the view from your windows, but it also means that the window is no longer offering optimal insulation. Replacing windows with damaged seals will restore the clarity of your glass and improve your home's insulation. Outdated style or appearance. The aesthetic appeal of your home is important, and outdated or worn-out windows can negatively impact its curb appeal. If your windows no longer match the style of your home or have become faded, chipped, or cracked, it might be time to consider an upgrade. New windows come in a wide variety of styles, materials, and finishes that can enhance the beauty of your home. Whether you opt for modern, sleek designs or more traditional window types, replacing your windows can give your home a fresh, updated look. Noise issues. If your home is located near a busy street or noisy neighborhood, you may notice an increase in outside noise seeping through your windows. Older windows with thin glass or poor seals can let in unwanted sounds, making it difficult to enjoy peace and quiet in your home. Upgrading to new, soundproof windows can help reduce outside noise, creating a more tranquil living environment. This is especially valuable for those who live in urban areas or near major roads. Conclusion: windows are an essential part of your home, and when they begin to show signs of damage, inefficiency, or age, it's important to act promptly. Replacing your windows in Fayetteville can not only improve the comfort and security of your home but can also save you money on energy bills in the long run. If you notice any of the signs mentioned above, it might be time to contact a professional window replacement company to discuss your options. With modern, energy-efficient windows, you can enhance your home's aesthetic appeal, comfort, and value while keeping the elements at bay.